What do you think people should know about Yiddish literature that they don't?
Oh, well, I think the main thing people should know, there's a lot of things, of course, but one of the main things I think they should know, which I run into a lot, is how vast a sea it is, how huge it is, how big it is. You know, they say, oh, you mean like Shalom Aleichem? I mean, it's not just Shalom Aleichem, and it's not just Peretz and Mendele either. I mean, there's dozens, scores of Yiddish writers. I mean, tons, countless. That should be known. And the fact that only a very small portion of that has been translated, of course, should be known. Um, all the different, that there were all these movements and groupings, the Chalyastre, Jung Vilna, the labor poets, the sweatshop poets, the Inzichisten, all these different Yiddish literary schools that developed in a short time. I mean, modern Yiddish literature, we date from 1864 from Mendele, but of course there was Yiddish literature way before that. We refer to that as the beginning of modern, but from that time to 1939, let's say, there was this incredible activity and all these literary movements and writing, and that needs to be known.